stickers. Some good cars, alright. That's our Nook. We ain't outside. We parked at the front. We just left from there though. It's right here, so. GTRs back to the back. Driving. Super. Stick it.
All you can do is play game at home. Play game.
Supers are way more better.
You like Supers? That's crazy. Look at the plate. That's crazy. I was like, nah, he ain't got no this thing.
Shit nice too. What's up, Flacco? Parked up over here. About to walk over there right now. That's how Flacco. He got a single turbo with the T51 mod. T51 mod, yeah. This shit about to sound crazy when he come out.
What?
So this shit about to sound crazy when you leave. Big body X5 put up next to me.
Oh, you know my son? Yeah. Line up outside, man. Starting 3. Play 3s out here, man. Did you say you back on?
Yeah.
I'm gonna say like that. Wagon?
Huh?
Tripping. I said that shit with an accent.
What you saying?
Wagon? Which one, bro?
This shit's tough too.
I know this shit made at least like what, 850 to 1,000.
Yo, you peep they made them new Shelby trucks?
Yeah, this shit is different, bro. Nigga, look at this nigga though.
This shit fast. This shit fast.
Oh yeah.
Intake technology. Okay. That what?
Little ass radiator.
Yeah, that shit bolted on. That's how you know it's putting out serious power. That shit had to be bolted down.
YouTube, we at the shop. That's the only way you can get into the downpipes for him. We got a diffuser too, but it was a little fitment problem, so we ended up putting it on. It don't really fit this bumper, so you might have to get another one. This guy's all the way up there.
Probably the exhaust platform.
Man on a roller coaster. It's the definition of teamwork. First one out.
Alright, that's it. Go ahead, go. You want downpipe, right? That's as much down as you could get.
It's gonna be hot air straight.
Nah, yeah, that shit hot.
Hell yeah.
Okay.
You don't have no brackets, bro? What kind of cheap ass shit is this? You guys see?
Nah, that's VRSF.
You got no brackets to hold it steady. Is this gonna be held by the turbo? And the muffler?
No bracket bolts on the work.
You got a bracket. Use them for brackets.
This come to the top. This go to the bottom.
I see what you're saying.
But you know what happens?
These are much lighter. Look.
As these are shaking separately, this wears out faster over time. You understand?
See the difference here? That thing heavy. That thing like 3 times the weight of this. This is like a baby weight.
Yeah.
So that itself is very heavy. So maybe that's why like.
I don't know why, but that's how they came, bro.
Check to see the control arm or something making noise.
This shit gonna come out better than my videos.
It is? Yeah. Yeah.
I mean, even think about like what we doing with the G's. It was high.
By the cats is dumb hot, bro.
Huh?
I said by the cats is hot as shit.
Yeah. Downpipe's just uninstalled.
Thank you.
Which one? Oh yeah. Maybe not. The startup gonna be crazy.
I'm already knowing the starter gonna be crazy.
Y'all right there?
I want more screw for something. Wait, no.
No, it's supposed to be one on the bracket and one on the side.
Oh,
Two
this
on
is
the
not
side.
Yeah, this bracket on the where that bolts to is on the dumper.
Yeah.
That should be it. Everything else should go back. Or you can find out. I don't know. Fucking shit, you know what I'm saying? Alright, your side is there, you have to watch things. This have to pass this whole way.